So how to use OAG News. So OAG News is a website that you can generate valid tracking numbers for dropshipping. So for example, if your orders are still not shipped by your supplier, so what we are doing, we generate valid tracking numbers from OAG News. So let me show you how to do this. You just need to have your login details, or you already registered. So if you don't have any, I have the link below in my in this description, so feel free to check that and you will direct in this website. So once you click that login or free trial, you just click tracking numbers. So you will just add your email address. And then your password. And then click login. Okay, so once you already have it here, so for example, in this order, you need to check the city and the state. So Reno, Nevada. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go here in the state first, Nevada, and then the city is Reno. Okay, Reno. Okay, and then make sure that you're going to if you think that you will need to check the estimated delivery of your order also in your supplier. So for example, if right now you still not sure when it's gonna deliver, so at least the last from 8 to 30, no? So just to make sure you have that allowance, okay? Don't choose tomorrow, because it will show to your customer that it will be shipped or it will be delivered already tomorrow, not also 2 or 3. So at least you have this allowance. So you have the time to edit and add the right tracking number in your platform or in your store. Okay, so 18 to 30. Okay, once you already have that, make sure you will click the verify the tracking number not be used, and then click get tracking number. Okay, and now this will be your tracking number. So just copy that and then add this in your platform. So for example, like this one, this is FedEx automatic, and then mark order complete. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you use OAG News to get tracking number in your dropshipping business.